Okay, so I'm going to try another test here in an empty parking garage. 25 milliwatts on this test first, and then 700 milliwatts. I'm not sure how far we'll get to go. Focus mode is turned off. So I'm right over here. See, it's completely empty. So there's not a whole lot of obstruction. I'm going to try stay on the same floor here. Signal's pretty good here. Bit rate's a little bit lower, still about 26, 24 milliseconds latency. Signal is pretty low now, 2 bars at the other end of this parking garage. 3 bars now. So pretty much made it all the way around. Image obviously stayed clear because focus mode is turned off. I'm going to go up and out here. This is outside. And I'm going to go above me here. I have 1 bar here. So there's a lot of concrete in the way here, and the image is getting a lot worse. 9 megabits bit rate. Back to 25 megabits bit rate. So that's pretty bad over there. I'm gonna land and try 700 milliwatts to see what it looks like at where it's really bad. All right, I'm gonna switch the power over. So 700 milliwatts shouldn't be a problem going on the same floor here, but I'm going to try over here again and see if I can go above me with all this concrete rebar in the way. And over here I had 1 bar, I have 3 bars now on 700 milliwatts. And so I'm heading back towards me, above me, at 1 floor above me. 3 bars still over here, no problem. Let me go to the other corner here. There's going to be a lot more concrete in the way. Still 3 bars over here. I'm going to the far corner over here, the opposite side of this parking garage. Still 3 bars, so you're going to have trouble on 25 milliwatts in this kind of a parking structure, but 700 milliwatts is no problem. Let's see if I can go maybe 1 floor below. I think the results are going to be about the same. These ceilings are quite low, so maintaining your altitude is kind of tricky. So still 4 bars over here on the same floor on the other side of the parking garage. I'm going to go down a floor. So I'm heading back towards me, but I'm going down to the 2nd floor. Still 3 bars here. A lot of dust still in this parking garage. They just recently built this brand new. Alright, so I'm going to the opposite corner here. And still 3 bars over here. I wonder what will happen if I go down 2 floors. Image is still clear, no focus mode of course. So I'm coming down to the bottom floor here, below me. Image is still clear, Still 25 megabits bit rate, so 700 milliwatts can penetrate the entire parking garage. It seems we're going to go all the way to the other corner, 2 floors below me. And now I'm getting right here, I'm getting 2 bars, it's red. So I'm going to turn around. So almost the entire parking garage is not a problem. Let's bring her back up. So obviously there's no cars in here, so if you had like more metal and stuff, I would imagine your signal is going to be worse, but 700 milliwatts is going to be the way to go, I think, if you're going to be in a structure like this. Let's go all the way back up. So hopefully you guys found this test interesting and useful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.